Hello everyone, thank you for joining me one more time on another video. I'm going to give you an update on these carrots. We put the seeds in, if I'm not mistaken, the 25 or 26th of November, and the wife and I were saying how long it'll take for germination. According to the package, it said about 10 days, and so she was estimated 10 to 14 days. So she was going for December 7th. I was going for December 10th. So right now it is December 13th, and they are actually coming up. Finally, we have been keeping an eye on them, and all of the sudden they're started to springing up. Very nice. Also, I think the reason why is because the temperature has also changed and is colder actually. So this seems to be very good, that they are finally showing some signs. There's the other ones coming up. So anyways, just wanted to give you this update because we have not seen anything happen since we put the seeds, and the 10 to 14 days have already expired and have not seen anything. And all of a sudden they started to come out. Beautiful. And then this one right here. So it's good to see that we are seeing the results. I was a little worried because of the time had already passed that the carrots are supposed to be coming out. So it's good to see that. Anyway, so just wanted to give you that heads up and keep you guys updated on that. Thank you guys for joining us, and we'll see you guys on the next video.